Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to explain about how to create a new Python virtual environment in VS Code. So once you open your VS Code, you go to the terminal. So here it will show you the path where you are. There you type Python space -m space VENV, that means virtual environment, and your environment name. I will create my environment name with ENV. Click enter. So once you click enter, there is a folder will be created here, and in that all the respective folders and files will be loaded in this folder. So it will take a while. So your virtual environment is created now. We will see what is the folder it was created, and inside that what are the various folders and files are available. So once you create your environment, you can see there is a include folder, lib folder, scripts folder, and pyvenv.config file. And here you have to go to this script folder, and there is a activate.bat file. So this one will be used to activate this particular environment so that you can install your dependencies, dependent libraries for this environment. So we will go back to the VS Code, and here I will activate the environment which was created now. So I will go to env scripts activate, click enter. So now you can see that this environment is activated now. So here in this environment, you can use your pip installations to install different libraries of your Python. This virtual environment will be used to manage the dependent libraries of a particular project, and also to avoid the system level Python installations, to avoid the conflict between the system level Python installations. So this is very useful and helpful for us. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.